Hello, kitchen enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary innovation with the ZHANG QUAN since 1628 5-in-1 interchangeable blades rotary cheese grater. This remarkable tool is designed with enhanced safety features, including a pusher cup that keeps your hands safe from sharp blades, all crafted from premium 420 stainless steel and BPA-free ABS plastic. With its versatile 5-in-1 functionality, you'll effortlessly tackle precise slicing, julienne cuts, shredding, and more, making it a must-have for any kitchen. Say goodbye to tedious food prep as this tumbling box shredder delivers 12 times the cutting power in just one revolution, streamlining your cooking process and maximizing efficiency. Its ergonomic Z design ensures smooth, easy rotation with minimal effort, while the anti-slip base provides enhanced stability on any surface. Plus, enjoy effortless operation and cleanup with quick assembly and disassembly, and the convenience of rinsing under running water or using the dishwasher. Elevate your culinary creations and transform your kitchen experience with this incredible tool. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.